Have you ever asked, what kind of world we live in? Yes, it is a world with pollution. The pollution is the introduction of harmful materials into the environment. These harmful materials are called pollutants. Pollutants can be natural, such as volcanic ash. They're also created by human activity like trash. And the environment, and including humans, are and still suffer the consequences of those actions. Everywhere on the earth, we can see the plastic waste like this, or like this. Even in the big cities, garbage appears on every street. Pacific wildlife, even ocean. You have probably heard about giant trash islands in the ocean. The plastic crisis gets a lot of attention, but the headlines usually focus on the plastic that ends up in the environment. But the truth is the plastic has a whole life cycle. Let's start at the beginning. The plastic emits from fossil fuels like oil or fracked natural gas, extracting those fossil fuels and turning them into plastics. So, what should we do? The answer is the green movement.
Green lifestyle is a way of life that aims to balance the preservation and protection of the Earth's natural resources, habitats, and biodiversity with human civilization and community in as many ways as possible. In simple terms, living green and sustainably means developing a lifestyle that works with nature rather than against it, and that no long-term irreparable harm to any element of the ecological system.
We can start with living green in small ways by blending more cheese or cleaning trash. For example, Sevanseng is a typical example of green lifestyle, calling everyone to respond to Earth Day together. Everyone involved cleans up trash, recycles all kinds of trash, plants, and protects trees. Not only that, they are still on track to complete their goal of protecting the environment, building a green life for everyone, along with a movement for everyone to join hands to create a green life. Live beautifully, a green lifestyle.
Are there any other actions to protect in the environment? First is to eat organic food despite higher price. Buying organic is turning from alternative into a moral and social responsibility. Organic food is superly healthier, more natural and more ethical. We can find organic products in every supermarket. They are often labeled with organic certification like this. In different countries, we will be different labels. In general, organic food is famous without GMO, synthetic fertilizer, synthetic pesticide.
One idea associated with organic crops is that their natural cultivation is supposed to make them more nutritious and healthier. And no production method is clearly better for the environment. Organic systems are less energy than conventional ones. Organic farms use less pesticide.
Our environment supports and enhances our ecosystems, allowing them to grow and thrive. Through sustainable actions every day by taking simple steps, So that we should strive to live a more sustainable lifestyle and protect the environment. Through sustainable actions every day by taking simple steps, we can make the most significant impact on preserving the environment. Here are a few ways you can help to protect the environment. The first, collecting and recycling like bottle, plastic bag or cans. Why we had to do that? Because this eliminates the need for plastic, which often pollutes the environment. Pollution from plastic can harm humans, animals, and plants. Plastic can take hundreds or thousands of years to break down, making it extremely harmful to our environment. Secondly, we should avoid single-use plastic like India. True reusable alternative to single-use plastic, such as paper bags, glass bottles. Because true is to avoid, you soon discover another plastic. We can reduce the amount of plastic waste that enters the environment. By making small changes like this, we should buy unpackaging products, or we start taking reusable bags when we shop. For example, we can use personal bottle instead of plastic water bottles. Avoiding nylon. Thirdly, we need to throw garbage properly. Let's spread public awareness about the harmful effects of not managing waste and action. Classify different types of waste. Or we should reduce waste. It can be done through reusing or finding other use for objects. For example, instead of throwing your old clothes, give it to the less fortunate or you can donate it. Or storage sales are an opportunity to sell your unused or still functional items. Who knows, your trash might be someone else's treasure.
Next, using public transport or walk by whenever possible. Biking produces no carbon emissions and does not rely on gas or oil like driving car. Instead, let's choose to use public transportation like bus. Reduce air pollution, get better air quality for cities and save more money. Or we can use the train. 50. We should take a part in tree planting. There are many environmental benefits of planting a tree. So what are those benefits? Trees can help to save water, preventing water pollution, reducing climate change, and purifying air. Additionally, in the city, trees can help to cool down the streets. 6. Using electronic fire and avoid breathing out documents. If you use a lot of paper, they're creating a large and unnecessary waste stream. To reduce it, documents sent or sent electronically lessen the waste you generate, lower the carbon footprint, and save money. Furthermore, it also reduces the number of unnecessary documents the team outputs, benefits the environment at the same time.
Next solution is so we can see to save energy. There are two concepts, which are energy conservation and energy efficiency. The first concept is energy conservation. This is when you cut back on the actual energy being used. For example, conserving energy could mean taking a shorter shower, turning off light when not needed, or commuting to work by bike instead of by car. Generic energy efficiency. The distinction between the two is that you aren't changing behavior, such as avoiding use. Instead, you are cutting down on the energy required to achieve the same result. For example, take a light bulb, changing out the older incandescent bulb in favor of a LED version. We can reduce the amount of energy required. Let's save the environment to have a new light and healthier planet.